Hello and welcome to part 10 Honda C70 restoration, and as you can see I have changed quite a bit since the last video, or the last 9 videos. You've been watching them all because I've shaved my hair off. But the good thing about shaving your hair off is you can do it yourself and it's free of charge. Anyway, been riding the bike for about 2 weeks now, and it's been quite good. It doesn't seem to start as well as it did start. Sometimes when it's cold, 4 or 5 kicks, but yeah, not too sure what that's all about. But it does seem to be reliable once you're on it. Yeah, I have been pushing the bike on one occasion. I ran out of fuel. So if you've seen in the other videos, one of the parts where I do attach the fuel lines, I must have made a mistake and I've done the wrong way round. So on was actually reserve. And reserve was actually on. Yeah, so I'm on thinking it's on and I've still got a reserve, but I didn't have a reserve because obviously they're the wrong way round. So it conked out and I was like, oh my god, what's wrong with it, what's wrong with it? I was like, right, must be fuel. So I went on to reserve, and nothing happened. I was like, oh great. So I obviously lifted the seat up, checked the fuel, had a look in, and there's no fuel there whatsoever. So I was actually pushing the Honda C70, but luckily it was only about 400 metres because I was near my son's grandma, because I had just dropped my son off. Me and my son went out on this for Father's Day, which I will actually put the video on now. Yeah, come here. Just taking a picture of you. Are you videoing?
I'm videoing it, yes. There you go. Ciao. Hasta la vista.
So, yeah, hope you enjoyed that little video which my friend took. So his nana luckily gave me a lift to the fuel station. I had to buy a container, which really annoyed me, for £5 odd, because I've got about 20 containers here anyway. So yeah, that annoyed the hell out of me. But yeah, I put the fuel in and it went. So now I've just been running it on reserve, which is now on. So reserve is on and on is reserve, if you get what I mean. But obviously I need to take the fuel tank off and do it properly, but I haven't done that yet. So that is the only problem. Front light bulb went. I've got one actually. It's just turned up today, so they'll be fitting that. And this weekend it is Transport Day on Sunday. So what happens on Transport Day weekend is all the boats from Elmslie Airport start coming down to the village. All the traction engines start coming down to the village, but they come from absolutely miles away. They could set off days, even a week beforehand just to get here. So they have a big long journey, like whatever they do, 8 miles an hour or something. They've got to keep putting coal in the oven, in the burner, whatever you call it, and heating the water and making steam. And it's fucking brilliant, it really is. And obviously there's a big field called the May Queen field, and there's loads of cars and motorcycles on there. And I'll be about around the village. But I just thought, you know what? I'm going to go down to the village because I've been told one of the traction engines has actually been passed. I missed it because I was out last night. One of the traction engines has actually been passed. So I thought, right, I'm going to go down to the village on a little Honda C70 and see if I can find this traction engine. Well, I know where it is. It's right near the canal, so I'm pretty certain I'll find it. So yeah, let's get my gear on and get down there. Yes. So first things first, try and start it. Will it actually start? Hopefully. We'll give it full choke. Give it a kick. Oh, nearly. This is what I mean, it's not starting as well as it did. Oh. That third and fourth, not too bad. Let's go. Right, let's go. Next stop, Lymm Village. And then, well, I've just got into Lymm Village, and the traction engine is exactly where I thought it would be, right here. So anyway, I just spoke to the owner, said, do you mind if I make a little video of my Honda C70 that I've just finished the restoration of next to your traction engine, and he said that'll be a tenner. But he was obviously taking the piss. So he said, go for it, my man, after that. But yeah, we had a bit of a laugh. So yeah, here it is. Look at this beautiful machine, which is far more interesting than my little Honda, I'm sure. So we are in for a little treat here to have this weekend. They're all coming down. There's going to be loads of traction engines here, loads of classic cars. There's another one here, little tiny one from Todmorden, little steam truck. Look at that, beautiful, absolutely lovely. Bankside model diaries. And here's his trailer which goes on the back, which they tow. I think they tow 2 trailers, like a bit of a convoy sort of train. Yeah, what a beautiful machine. And there's another one just over here, Fred Hackney and Sons sandbatch, little tiny one here. Look at all that coal, that's not normal coal, that's steam coal, that real good quality coal, proper stuff. All the water here for the tank, contractor haulage, bloody lovely. Foden plate there, there's a battery there, not sure what that'll be for, but yeah, I presume you don't need a battery on these, but I don't know. Don't know. Yep, bit of a horn there. Yeah, look at that, eh? Bloody hell. Pretty tight seating there. Look at that. Unbelievable. Absolutely lovely little machine. Yes. Yeah, so that's it. Obviously today is Friday, and the event is on Sunday, so they're all going to be coming in. So what I'll do is I'll do a bit of filming tomorrow, Saturday. And then obviously the main filming, when there's going to be loads of people here, will be Sunday. But first of all, just go and have a look at these boats on the canal. Here we are, just come down to the Bridgewater Canal. Have a bit of a look at these machines here. These big flipping narrow boats, and these park them 2 abreast. And yeah, quite a lot of them. Yeah. Probably got a better view than me because I've got my arm up in the air. Bloody lovely. Yeah, Samuel Barlow Coal Limited. Look at that, Birmingham. Must be ancient. Must be 100 years old. Built 1937. That's the same year as my dad. Just see it here, right there. 1937. That's the year my dad was born. He died in 1990. Yeah. There's Sutty's house over there, Lymm. No Sutty. Sutty and Sweep, that's where he lives, that white house there on the bridge. Yeah. It's going to be a hell of an event, this. And you at home can all watch it. Oh, there now, just plodding past. What a beautiful boat. Dumpy. Absolutely stunning. Looking at me like 4 abreast there, 5 abreast even, 5 abreast. Look at that. Right, I'll go up the bridge and I'll come back, film from on top of that bridge. Right, I'll go up the bridge, I heard this coming, I heard the whistle from miles away. Just before, and I thought there was another one coming, and now here it is. Coming up this big hill. Honda on as well. Flipping heck, some power there. Good timing, like, bit of luck. Just walking towards the bridge. I've abandoned the Honda, hopefully no one pinches it. But I may as well do a bit of filming here, you know. Just coming up towards the bridge, look at it, this is beautiful Lymm. Absolutely stunning little village where I live. Very, very old-fashioned. These little stunners here. Look at that. Stunning. That's Sutty's house. Sutty sweep. Absolutely stunning. Here's some sort of cruiser here. What's this one here? Norman. Fiberglass cruiser. Here's the Bull's Head. Nice lovely little pub. See down into the village down there. And here's the view from the bridge. Look at that. Bloody lovely, as they say. Or as I say. Now, yeah, back to the Honda, it's still here. I'm going to go for a blast around the village, but just thought I'd show you this boat here trying to get through, and they're squeezing through here, 5 abreast. She's pushing off the other boat. It's like a bit of a mission. Bit tight like. It's not that tight, they've got a good few foot on either side actually. And they've got plenty of space there where there's just 4 abreast, going into 4 abreast now. And then I might just make that the end of part 10, and then do a part 11 and 12 over the weekend, because that was probably about 15-20 minutes of filming. So yeah, I'm going to head off now, go for a little blast around the village, do a few laps, and then I'll go home, do some editing and stick it on YouTube. Yeah. Right, yeah, so just got back, thought I'd do a bit of editing. And then I was watching myself while I'm editing, and I thought, bloody hell, looks like a thug. I thought, best put my hat on. Maybe shouldn't have skinned my head. Maybe I should have left it alone. But it'll always grow back. Never mind, eh? But yeah, anyway, I'm going to say thank you very much for watching. This is part 10. And I did say it was going to be a transport show, but I'll just put it in parts as well. So yeah, it's Friday today. It's transport weekend in Lymm, in Cheshire. Hope you enjoyed that little bit then, the traction engines, the boats and all that, but there's going to be loads more of that coming. It's just going to get better and better as the weekend goes by. Saturday's going to be good, you know, there's going to be loads of stuff arriving, and then Sunday's just going to be full on. That's going to be all sorts. There's going to be thousands of people in the village, loads and loads of cars. All the pubs will be absolutely rammed. There's about 10 pubs. Everyone will be drinking, enjoying themselves, having a good skinful, you know, flipping good few pints. Those who aren't driving anyway. I'll be down there on this, I'll be drinking water because I'll be on this. But then I'll probably get it home and go for a few pints and a good natter with the locals, and all the lads on the engines and all that. So it should be really good. So yeah, hope you watch it. Thanks again for watching this one, and good night. Thank you.